Oh, wow. Oh. This broke. 'Tis the season, I guess, for small appliances to stop working, not randomly. We were in the car trying to vacuum up all of the needles from the Christmas tree. And as we were emptying the canister, the filter came out with it and got thrown into the trash. And then the person who was vacuuming then put it back without the filter, so no filter. And then I'm pretty sure something got sucked into the motor right here. And it's made a loud noise apparently, and it stopped working. As you can see, I kind of knocked out a bunch of stuff, which is what all of this is. And I used some tweezers to kind of pull out what I could, but let's double check. Yeah, so it's still not working. I've had it charged up for the past hour, so it should be fully charged. So something is wrong inside of here. Okay. Okay, wow. I'll be right back. What's fun about a project like this is right now it's not working. And the only option is to either fix it or buy a new one. And why do I like that? Well, I don't like spending money that I don't need to spend, but because it is fully not working, I really can't break it, right? So might as well just see if I can take it apart and figure out what's wrong with it. At first, I thought this whole part was just one big solid unit until I turned it over, and then I see these little holes. And inside these holes, that is where there are little screws. So I'm pretty sure I can separate one side from the other. Got a bunch of my smallest screwdrivers. I'm going to try this one because I have more torque if I get this. Okay. There's one. Ooh. I'm going to use this filter as my little dish. 1, 2. There we go. Okay. Use these little tiny flathead screwdrivers that I find in glasses repair kits. I guess I just start prying things apart. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Okay. Interesting. This is technically a fully charged unit. This is the battery pack. When I plug in the charger, you plug it in here. And this is the motor. So I don't know if I have to be careful about getting electric shocks or not. There's a lot of junk in here. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. And I'm going to get my air gun. I'm not sure what kind of safety features are involved in just a little hand vac like this. So I'm not sure if just powering it on would work. Oh, that's what, oh, look. You see the little switch? Man, nothing is making a sound at all. This doesn't sound good. Oh, so the light works. It's very possible that something got sucked into here. Oh, like a little gaskety thing. Okay. So each one of these little grooves goes against that. Oh, oh, look at that. Okay. Feels like it's hard to turn. I kind of see something right in there, like a rock or a pebble or something. Okay. That seems better. Oops. Okay. Now, do I just try to turn it on? I can do it. It works! Yay! Okay. Okay, so, no, this first. Oh, I'll be so excited this works. See why these projects are fun? Because I really have nothing to lose. Just gonna put you on, pop you in. Okay, and I'm guessing this guy keeps you tucked in nicely. Now, if I can get this to go back into place, I really feel like that's the hardest part right now. Oh, wait, is that it? Are you going in there? These go together and these go together. These go together and these go together. And these go together. I guess these go together. What are you doing? Oh, wait a minute. This maybe goes into this thing. Okay, let's try that. You're close. Okay, woo. All right. Did I forget something? Forgot that. Where did you go? Okay. Okay, that. Okay. Okay. Yay. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna like bolt everything down tight. Why do you keep making that noise? Oh. Yay! Did it. I'll put some more dirt down so you can see that that does actually work. Oh gosh. There we go. Yay. All right, so now we know. If the motor stops working after making a really loud noise, especially after you've dropped the filter and not put it back while using, you can unscrew these little holes here, take it apart, and then it's nice to have some kind of an air gun or air can to blow it out a bit. Pick out any other dirt and debris, shake it out, and then you saw that we can then open up the motor again. You saw it's still powered, so you got to make sure that this is in the off position, especially when you're working with the motor, okay? And so take it apart, see what's in there, kind of pick apart any obstacles, put it back together, and voila, it works. All right, that's it.